Welcome back. Today we are discussing a topic that is almost guaranteed to appear in your exam: home and accommodation.
That's right. It sounds simple, but to get a high score, you need to use descriptive language. Do you live in a house or an apartment?
I currently reside in a compact but cozy apartment on the outskirts of the city. I've been living there for about 3 years now.
And what do you like most about where you live?
What I find most appealing is the abundance of natural light in my living room. It makes the space feel much more airy and spacious than it actually is.
I can imagine. I live in a 2-story terraced house. It's located in a very quiet residential area, which is perfect for my work.
That sounds lovely. If you could change anything about your home, what would it be?
Ideally, I'd love to have a more spacious kitchen. I'm quite fond of cooking, and my current kitchen feels a bit cramped when I'm preparing elaborate meals.
I feel the same about my balcony. I wish it were large enough to create a small urban garden.
Speaking of the future, what would your dream home look like?
My dream home would be a secluded villa overlooking the ocean. It would have floor-to-ceiling windows and a minimalist interior design.
Very stylish. For me, it would be a rustic cottage in the mountains, complete with a large fireplace and a library.
It's interesting how our preferences differ. But for the IELTS, the key is to describe your surroundings vividly.
Exactly. Don't just say my house is good. Use words like spacious, cramped, or well located.
That's all for today. Don't forget to tell us about your home in the comments. Bye for now.